Weeks from the start of Derek Chauvin's murder trial, state lawmakers are badly divided on who will pay for extra security.
Chauvin is one of the ex-police officers accused of killing George Floyd. Political reporter Theo Keith is at the Capitol, and Theo, lawmakers hit a major roadblock today.
Yeah, a lot happened just in about the 4 to 5 o'clock hour. We wondered this morning if today would bring about a deal. Far from it. Senate Republicans passed their own plan forcing Minneapolis to pay for outside police costs during the trial. But then House Democrats took a major step back. In the Senate, Republicans blame Minneapolis for cutting its police budget with the Derek Chauvin murder trial looming.
If the city of Minneapolis isn't going to be prepared to stand up in the future, it is going to be very difficult for other law enforcement to step into that gap.
But Minneapolis senators say the city should not have to pay the full cost of the internationally watched trial.
People want to come and live in Minneapolis. We have a tax base that supports rural Minnesota because your communities are declining.
But the bitter debate in the Senate was only half the story. Then came a surprise in the House.
Representative Winkler moves that House File 445 be laid on the table.
Amid internal division, House Democrats pulled a scheduled vote on their own plan, a $35 million fund for trial security, with state taxpayers picking up the tab. Democrats had been doing a balancing act in recent days, adding police accountability requirements to get Twin Cities Democrats on board. But those very changes angered the police associations and meant Republicans were unwilling to vote for the bill.
A storyline that says that concerns about this bill only come from particular parts of the state or particular members of one party is not accurate. There are concerns about this bill from all quarters.
3 weeks before jury selection is scheduled to start, it's uncertain who will pay for trial security. And that uncertainty led one top lawmaker to make the assurance that even if they don't pass this bill, there still will be enough security at the upcoming Chauvin trial. The Walz administration has said it is signing up hundreds of outside officers to come into the cities and provide that level of security. The question is, though, who pays for all of that? And if there's no legislation that passes, will some of these outside cities that have signed up to commit officers back out of those agreements? Live at the Capitol, Theo Keith, Fox 9.